Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data. Back up any irreplaceable files to an external drive or cloud. Once done, open Disk Cleanup now, press the Windows key, type Disk Cleanup, and choose C, Drive. You want to clear temporary files first because they're safe and often reclaim the most space quickly. Make sure to review downloads and uncheck anything you need to keep. Next, click Cleanup System Files to include Windows Update files and older system caches. Once basic cleanup finishes, move to Storage Settings to analyze what's taking space and why. You'll see large folders and apps. Sort apps and features by size and uninstall software you no longer use. Be deliberate, remove only programs you recognize. Next, run a reputable cleanup tool or the built-in Storage Sense to remove leftover caches and duplicate temp files. Make sure to clear browser caches and offline files, because they can silently finalize by reclaiming space system side. Run disk defragment and optimize for HDDs, and trim on SSDs via optimized drives. Then remove old system restore points and run storage sense schedule so cleanup continues automatically. If space still looks tight, inspect the WinSXS folder and use DISM cleanup or run an in-place Windows repair to remove orphaned components. Troubleshooting tip. If a cleanup tool reports locked files, restart into safe mode and repeat the cleanup to release those files before deleting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.